He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. Psalm 23 verses 2. Hello beautiful family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Happy Sunday. In today's Sunday's dinner, we're going to make a very nice and spicy pork lye soup, which is in alignment with the weather. It's getting cozy out here, so we need something to just pump us up. And this pork pepper light soup is going to just give us that. It is absolutely delicious. We paired it here with some fine textured fufu, which was so amazing. So please family, stay tuned and let's get right into it. So today we're going to make pork lye soup, one of my favorite. We're going to make it so nice and very spicy. So we have our fresh pork meat with skin on, comes very nice. And we do have some spices, natural spices, some rosemary, anise seed, coriander seed, and some dried peppers. We have some fresh habaneros, tomato puree, zucchini, carrots, fresh tomatoes, onions, and we're going to have it with some fufu, so it's nice to have a little bit of okra to touch up everything, and of course some salt to season. So I will start by blending my natural ingredients. This is some chopped onions, some garlic, ginger, one of them slide, but I put it right back in. I also have some natural spices, including rosemary, some coriander seed, some dried peppers as well, and some anise seed. I just want to blend everything together, and I'm going to now add my pork meat in the pot. And this pork meat that we have here, there is an issue to this, which I will explain. They try to remove the excess fat from it by adding too much salt. It has a lot going on, so please, if you buy your pork meat from Sweden, especially in the regular stores, please make sure you do not add extra salt to this, because it's going to end up being too salty that you cannot even enjoy. So yes, this is a tip for you, anyone in Sweden, maybe some parts of Europe. Try to taste the pork before you start to add some salt. All right, so once all the blended ingredients is being added, it's perfect for me to now cover it, allow it steam for the next 10 minutes. It is very important to make sure that your heat is on medium heat so that you don't end up burning the meat. As you can see, there's not too much water in here, so it's very important to make sure you are doing this on a very medium heat. Okay, so 5 minutes, I just went ahead to just stir the meat, making sure it is well and intact. And this is the meat after a good 10 minutes of steaming. If you're here, oh my goodness, you're going to inhale all that goodness and all that aroma. It is just so amazing. Hey, I'm going to now add some tomato puree. You can decide to also use tomato paste, whichever way it is perfect. Okay, so I used about 3 cups of tomato puree and I added a little bit of water. So now we have a good amount of liquid on our meat. So now you can decide to higher your heat if that's what you want, or you can decide to go ahead and cook it on a medium heat. I prefer cooking it on a medium heat because I think that all the aromas and everything in there just balance very well, and the meat continues to marinate and suck all that goodness in them. So on the other hand, I also went ahead to boil my vegetables that I'll be adding to my meat to give it more flavor and also thicken my soup. So I added 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 medium-sized yellow onions, 2 habanero pepper because we want it nice and added spicy. A quarter size of my zucchini, which has been nicely peeled, and also some carrots. All this amazingness brings so much flavor to the soup. Just look how beautiful the soup is cooking up. It is just amazing. It's thebomb.com. The aroma is great. If you love pork, you better try this recipe. I believe you're going to love it so much. So after boiling my vegetables for about 7 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and take it off and I do not want to also throw away the water that I used to boil it, aka the vegetable stock. It is very important. So I went ahead to put it in the base of the soup, and I went ahead to blend it nice and smooth. Yes, go ahead and add extra one here and just blend it until everything is nice and smooth. Now you want to go ahead and add it back to your soup. Those 2 habanero peppers were definitely kicking in. It made me cough a lot. So yeah, you just go ahead and stir everything together. Now your soup is very nice and thick, and it's just smells amazing. Just stir gently together, and all that you have to do is cover it halfway, allow it to boil for another 10 minutes on a low to medium heat. Once again, this time around you can go ahead and taste for salt. If you want to adjust to your salt, please go ahead and do it. I prefer not to because the pork itself was extremely salty. Okay, so yeah, be very cautious when you're cooking your pork because it can be very salty. I went in to throw a little bit of fresh okra because we're pairing this with some very nice silky and smooth fufu. As it is nice and very chilled here, we need that for this amazing Sunday. Okay, so yeah, allow it to boil. You want to go ahead and try making your fufu on this side. It is very, very important to make sure that everything will come together at once, just so that you enjoy it properly. And I've also shared the recipe of how to make the very easy plantain fufu on this channel. I'm going to link it here and below, so please be kind enough to check it if you are interested. Okay, so now our very nice silky fufu is ready. We're going to just go ahead and serve ourselves. Go ahead and enjoy. Take as many meats you want because you deserve it. All right, this was such a delicious soup, and I hope that you try it. Make sure it's very nice and hot, spicy, and you're going to even enjoy it more and more. You can also pair this with rice if that's what you love. Go ahead and pair it with kinky or your gari, or you can just simply sip it on its own with some bread and you will be fine. Okay, yes, there you have it, family. This is our super amazing Sunday dinner. I hope that you enjoy. I hope that you make it and save it, share with your friends and family. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It is very, very important. Okay, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to gear you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.